If your shoe is damaged like this one, you might think it's ruined, but don't throw it away. With a simple trick, you can make that damage disappear. To repair a shoe like this one, you're going to need some shoe polish, a shoe brush, a teaspoon and a cup of hot water. Okay, so first take your teaspoon and put it in the hot water. Open your shoe polish, place some shoe polish on the brush, and then rub the shoe polish over the damaged area. You want to get quite a bit of shoe polish in that area. Make sure it's on there nice and thickly. Now when you've got a nice thick amount of shoe polish over the damage, take your teaspoon, be careful it might be hot to touch, and just rub the back of the spoon over the damaged area. Make sure the teaspoon stays hot. Now I will just say one thing at this point, be careful with the teaspoon. If you leave it in the hot water for too long, the handle might get hot. So as a precaution, wear gloves. If it's not quite disappeared, just get some more boot polish and rub it over the area. And use the teaspoon again. Back of the teaspoon. And there you have it. One damaged shoe repaired. If you've enjoyed this video, do give us a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button. Cheers.